So I just got out of the house and I'm about to comb my hair. Then as I stepped out, guess what I saw? I saw an enormous bug. I don't know what type of bug it is. It hasn't moved at all. Like it's just been standing there. So let me just show it to you guys. That's it. It looks like a spider on camera, but it's not a spider. I'm scared to get too close because what if it jumps on me or something? So this is the best I could do for you guys. I have to do this every single day. It's painful. Should really get a protective hairstyle on. So the reason why I'm snacking is because the car won't start. The car literally broke down, so it won't start. But at least it broke down over home, so that's a good thing. But it just won't fucking start. So I'm just having a snack. I'm gonna be on Instagram or like watching YouTube shorts or something. But for now, I'm just kind of relaxing. So yeah. So it's been 3 hours since the car broke down and we're waiting for the mechanic. And I've been baking, and my aunt over there, who's a content creator, the hell, has been doing TikToks. As you guys can see the ring light over there. So that's what I've been doing for the past 3 hours, baking, because I'm trying to start a business. So yeah, I'm waiting for the last batch right now. I made 2 batches, so which means I made 24 cupcakes. So I'm waiting for the last batch right now, and hopefully in like 2 hours I'll be out of here, off to driving school. Guys, so it's officially the next day. So basically the car was just not doing it. It wouldn't start at all. So then we had to go take it to the mechanic, and then he came home at around 8:30 p.m. bring it back after he fixed it. So basically I didn't go to driving school yesterday, and then today is the day that I'm going to driving school. And as you can see, I am getting ready, and I'll see you guys at the driving school. Bye.
Best.
Why two people?
li mu jaaree